This is the humerus. It's the bone of the arm. Remember that the arm is only from shoulder to elbow. This is the head of the humerus, where it's kind of smooth and rounded. Your shoulder is a ball and socket joint. The head of the humerus is the ball. And the glenoid cavity of the scapula is the socket. This is the head. This is the anatomical neck. Goes all the way around the head. Just like a neck supports our head, the anatomical neck of the humerus supports the head. But this bone also has a second neck, right here. Just kind of make a ring around the bone. This is called the surgical neck because it's where the bone most often fractures. Up here, near the head, we have two tubercles, and these are on the anterior side of the bone. This is the greater tubercle here. It's a little higher up, more proximal to the shoulder, and it's lateral. This is the lesser tubercle, a little lower, a little more distal, and it's more medial. So these are the two tubercles, and running between them is an intertubercular sulcus. Inter means between, tubercles, a sulcus is a groove. Down at this end of the bone, we have two condyles, here and here. This one here is called the trochlea. It's on the medial side of the bone, the same side of the bone as the head. So this is the trochlea. It's where the trochlear notch of the ulna, the U, articulates, kind of wraps around it. This one is called the capitulum. The capitulum is where the head of the radius articulates. We also have two fossae on this side of the bone. We're still on the anterior side. This one here is a little easier to find. This is the coronoid fossa, named because this is the coronoid process of the ulna, and it's going to fit in there when you bend your elbow. So this is the coronoid fossa, just above the trochlea. And over on this side, the radial fossa is kind of hard to find, but it's where the head of the radius will rest when you bend your elbow. On the posterior side, we have the large olecranon fossa back here, named because this is the olecranon process of the ulna, and that's how they fit together.